and gentlemen, boys and girls, please do welcome Chandrika Tandon.
So the second song we will do is the Song of Blessings. May we all be enveloped in blessings. May the whole planet be enveloped in blessings, and may the blessings accrue to each and every one of us. And may we all radiate that for love, peace, and harmony in the world. The Song of Blessings, Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu. And may that lead to unity as we all hold hands and stand shoulder to shoulder. So this is what we would like to sing. If the tune grabs you, you can sing too. It's a little fast to kind of catch it immediately, but if you can, please, you're welcome to join in. The track, please.
Sarva
सर्वमङ्गलं भवतु 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 सर्वमङ्गलं मङ्गलं 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 United we celebrate, united we congregate, shoulder to shoulder we stand. United in harmony, we are one world family. United we walk hand in hand. Bhumi Mangalam Mangalam, Udaka Mangalam Mangalam, Agni Mangalam Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam Mangalam, Bhumi Mangalam, Udaka Mangalam, Agni Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, 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 united our hearts and soul, united we all belong, blessings of creation us surround. Children of infinity, we are one world family, united, feel love all around. Jiva Mangala Mangalam, Deha Mangala Mangalam, Mano Mangala Mangalam, Atma Mangala Mangalam, Jiva Mangalam, Deha Mangalam, Mano Mangalam, Atma Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, 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 Mangalam,